In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop apps from opening on startup on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. If you're tired of your computer taking forever to boot up because of various apps launching automatically, you're in the right place. Let's get started on this quick and simple guide to speed up your startup. First, we'll delve into the Task Manager, a powerful tool built into Windows that allows you to control which apps start along with your computer. To open the Task Manager, simply right-click on your taskbar, the strip usually found at the bottom of your screen, and select Task Manager from the menu that appears. This action will bring up a window that contains several tabs, but for our purposes, you'll want to focus on the one labeled Startup Apps. Click on it. Once you're in the Startup Apps tab, you'll see a list of programs that can be set to start automatically when your computer boots up. Browse through this list to find the app or apps you'd like to prevent from starting automatically. Next, simply click on the app's name. With the app selected, look toward the upper right corner of the Task Manager window, where you will find a Disable button. Clicking this will stop the app from initiating at startup. Alternatively, you can perform the same task with a quick right-click. After right-clicking on the app you wish to disable, a small menu will appear. Simply select the Disable option, and you're all set. Either method works perfectly well, so choose whichever is easiest for you. Now, if you prefer using the Settings option in Windows, there's another foolproof method. To access this route, press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time on your keyboard. This combination opens up the Settings menu. Once there, look to your left-hand side for the Apps category and click on it. Under Apps, you should see a subcategory labeled Startup. Click on that. Inside the Startup section, you'll be greeted by a new list of apps. These are the ones with permissions to start automatically. As you scroll through this list, find the app you wish to disable from launching at startup. To stop it, simply turn off its toggle switch. You should notice that the toggle will switch from on to off. By doing this, you're telling Windows not to start this app automatically the next time you boot up your computer. And there you have it. You've learned how to control which apps start when your computer boots up using two straightforward methods. Whether through Task Manager or Windows settings, this knowledge will help you streamline your startup process, saving you both time and frustration. Happy computing!